This is the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. Today, we are going to be looking at gonorrhea. Okay,
You get it?
gonorrhea is
If you
an
don't get it, forget
STD
about it.
that comes with a lot of pains and discomfort. So, with the little herbs we have here, we are going to be chasing out this gonorrhea. Okay, a lot of people are passing through this. Don't worry, the herb is finally here. Okay, so if you are passing through this pain, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end, listen to all the instructions, follow them, get all the recipes, and then prepare all these things yourself and use it. You will see that gonorrhea running away. Okay, so it's not difficult. Like I always say, all you just need is to pay attention, follow the instruction, and you will definitely get results. Okay, so the first item we have here is neem leaves. This is neem. Okay, this is neem leaf. Okay, let me take it closer to the camera. Yeah, you can see it clearly. This is neem leaf. Okay, so get a little bunch of neem leaf like this. All right, get a little bunch of it, wash it thoroughly. Okay, wash it thoroughly. This one is already washed. Wash it thoroughly and then put it in a pot. Okay, right, put it in a pot. Okay, the next one is lemon grass. Okay, this is lemon grass. So just get a little of it like this, a little lemon grass like this. Okay, like I said, make sure you wash it clean. All these ones, they have already prepared all this for this video. Okay, so just fold it. If you cannot fold it, you can cut it. Okay, you can cut it. Okay, just squeeze it into the pot. Okay, the next item. If you are watching this video right now and you are not sharing it, it means you don't want others to benefit. It doesn't take you anything to share. And we have here is garlic. Okay, this is garlic. So you just get 5 of it. This is 5 garlic we have here. Okay, 5. Just get 5 of it. Okay, so you can just cut it into 2. Just cut them into 2. Just cut them into 2. Okay. Cut them into 2. Add it to the pot. Okay, this is Negro Pepper. This is Negro Pepper. Okay, just get a little of it like this, Negro Pepper. Okay, you add to the pot as well. Okay, the next one is ginger. Okay, you get one sizable ginger like this. Wash it thoroughly. Do not peel it. Okay, just wash it and then you cut into little pieces. Okay. The next one is cloves. This is cloves. So we are just going to get 7 pieces. All right, 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 pieces of cloves. Add it to the pot. So now we are done. Okay, we are done. So the next thing is to boil. Okay, so you add water to it. You can add 1.5 liters of water to 2 liters of water, depending on the size of pot you are using. Okay, so you boil it for about 15 minutes. Okay, you boil for about 15 minutes, and after that the drink is ready. Okay, so you can either drink it hot like tea or you drink it warm. Okay, so that is it. Use a tea glass to drink it. You drink in the morning and in the evening. You will see that gonorrhea running away, being flushed out. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.